Is it not intriguing how the United Kingdom, a country once ruled by monarchy, has evolved into a beacon of democracy? The journey of democracy in the UK is indeed a fascinating tale that dates back to centuries. It's a tale not merely of political evolution, but also of societal transformation. Let's delve into this captivating chronicle. In the 13th century, King John of England was compelled to sign the Magna Carta, a document that restricted the power of the Crown and laid the foundation of constitutional law. It was the first step towards a system where the ruler was under the law, thereby sowing the seeds of what we now recognise as democracy. Fast forward to the 17th century, the English Civil War resulted in the temporary overthrow of the monarchy and established the Commonwealth of England. This period was significant as it marked the first instance of a republican government in the nation's history. As we move into the 18th century, the Act of Union in 1707 united England and Scotland, creating the Kingdom of Great Britain. This was a pivotal moment as it fostered a sense of national identity that would later facilitate democratic governance. The 19th century was a turning point for democracy in the UK with the introduction of a series of Reform Acts. These acts expanded suffrage, allowing a wider section of society to participate in the political process. Women, however, were still excluded from this privilege. The early 20th century brought about the long overdue recognition of women's suffrage. The Representation of the People Act in 1918 granted voting rights to women over the age of 30. 10 years later, the age was lowered to 21, placing men and women on equal footing. The latter half of the 20th century saw the decolonisation of Africa and Asia, which had a profound impact on the UK's political landscape. It necessitated a redefinition of British identity and democracy, leading to the emergence of a multicultural society. The 21st century brought further changes. Devolution in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland has allowed these parts of the UK to exercise greater control over their affairs, reflecting the country's commitment to a more localised form of democracy. In summary, democracy in the UK has been a journey of gradual evolution. It started with the Magna Carta, limiting the powers of the monarchy, and has since seen several milestones, including the English Civil War, the Act of Union, the Reform Acts, the granting of women's suffrage, decolonisation, and most recently, devolution. Today, the UK stands as a symbol of a mature and inclusive democracy, having embraced changes and reforms over centuries. It's a testament to the fact that democracy is not a destination, but a continuous journey of adaptation and evolution.